sweethearts, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys, today we are doing these small box braids because you know I'm about to give birth, and I'm not going to be able to do my hair for a couple months. So doing your hair in these box braids will be excellent for you, especially when you're not going to be able to do it. So let's get started on these beautiful braids. This is the braiding hair that I use, Spectra. Get it from your local beauty supply store. Okay, these two products that I'm using, shea butter and wild growth oil, I use this on my scalp. It works so well. It keeps it nice and it keeps it thick, and it really grows your hair. It has done wonders for mine. So check out the products. I'll leave them in the description box below. Okay, I am going to be using Shine and Jam on each and every part. If you want your hair to stick together, if you do not want any flyaways, if you want your parts to look nice and neat, put it on every part. I'm telling you, it works. It's going to look neat. Okay, I am doing this for my non-braiders, for my beginner braiders. I want you guys to pay attention. I'm going to show you guys up close and personal 3 times, just so you can get this grip right. If you get this grip right on each and every braid, you'll learn how to braid, period, once you get grip right. So please pay attention. Okay, we are at the last braid. You guys, this took me a minute. It took me a good 6 to 7 hours. I'm gonna say 7 hours because I had to stop, I had to eat. I'm on time here, and then I was thinking about my feet, thinking about my back. I was thinking about a lot. So, if you want best results, please take your time. But doing them in these small braids, they are going to take a couple hours. If you're doing them on somebody else, the time is going to be cut in half, because you can do them faster on somebody else than yourself. But that's how long it took. I don't know exactly how many braids I have, but hey, 7 hours. Okay, I did dip my hair, you guys, off camera. If you do not know how to dip your hair, please have somebody help you because this is serious. You could burn yourself. Be careful. After your hair dries from dipping, I use these mousse curls from Vigoro. I have like 3 different other kinds that I use, and they work great for after you braid your hair or twist your hair or anything like that. As you can see, I am actually greasing and oiling my hair to death because remember, your hair's up, it's locked in, and you need moisture in your hair. So do not forget to lock in. Alright, I am trying out this new edge control. It's called Black Control. It's kind of cool for right now, but you guys let me know what you think. So, this is the tee-hee-hee. This is the end, you guys. Look at it. Look how long it is. It doesn't go too far. It's not too long. I can style it in so many different styles, up, down, braided again. You can do a lot with these little braids, especially when you want to wake up and don't have to worry about your hair. So this is the go-to hairstyle, especially for those who really can't do their hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational and learning fact for you. I can't wait to see you guys next time. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. You guys have a wonderful day. And next time you see me, I'll be a new mom all over again. I'll see you guys next time.